select R4 dressing. On top the rocking, fine, and the in feet, the feet of moving. Here there is a safety position that when the teach points are taught, then this is point to safety in accordance to the dresser. When you want to teach the positions for dressing, you select position. You see on top 3-point teach, 5-point teach. We always teach by 5-point teach. That means the following T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. I will show you in the video. When selecting the teach position, you can teach it by this button. That means it take over the XY position on that spot. Now you go with your grinding wheel. The stroke is on, and you go with your grinding wheel to the left first position. The first position is over the center, and you teach move sideways in side direction until position is touching. Like here, and then you say, this is my position. I want to modify, yes, and now it's taking over. Now we have the position number 2. I go more down with my grinding wheel and leave the radius over the center, because that's in that time you are sure that you teach the real angle. When this is like touching, you say T2. Now we go. With the grinding wheel to the other side. And you do this the same. So T3 is as far as possible over the center, and move again in the direction of the dresser. When it's touching, you say T3 and it's jump to T4, T4 position. Also here, be sure that you are on the angle and not on the radius. Sorry, this position. When it's touching, teach T4, and now the only point which is left, we go with the wheel to the center as good as possible. When this is touching, I mean, you teach T5. Now all positions T1 until T5 are teached. You go final. Now the macro is switched back. So this means all the positions are teached. It's on the side where position is on the left bottom. You push button dress and cycle starts to blink. Override on 0 and push start. When pushing starts, first the wheel is going away for 1 mm. After that it's going to the safety position of 0.2, and quite with grinding mode it's moving to the dressing equipment. When it reaches position, then it starts to move over the A-form dresser. Now it's starting with roughing 60 micron in this case, and automatically it will turn over to 30 micron in feed for finishing.